the heart of municipal infrastructure lies an easy-to-use system where strength, speed, and safety connect. The system is Certa-Lok by Westlake Pipe & Fittings. At the core of Certa-Lok lies a physical uniqueness, a corrosion-proof spline that aligns with precision machined grooves, integrated into the bell and spigot to create a bidirectionally restrained joint that can be assembled in minutes. Traditional restraints require additional equipment, tools, training, and man-hours. Certa-Lok assembly only requires a nylon spline that inserts into matching grooves in the bell and spigot, creating a full-strength, service-ready joint. Certa-Lok provides bidirectional strength that is quick and easy to assemble in any weather condition. This reduces constraints on the job site footprint, minimizes the impact on the community, and helps you meet your deadlines. Throughout North America, municipal contractors and engineers are choosing the Certa-Lok PVC system, laying a better foundation that's strong and durable.